Welcome to the 10th tutorial in my channel, and this time it's part 2 of Mario Party 12. This time we're going to design 3 things: the gradient background for the main menu. Of course it differs in Firebro House. And the opening for the text Mario Party 12. Finally, the game Lakitu Revolution. If you remember, you have to dodge Lakitu with Mario following your mouse, but that Lakitu always follows you. And if you make it in 30 seconds, you win. And every 10 seconds a new Lakitu appears. So if you make it, that means you made it with 10 seconds or 3 Lakitus, which is almost impossible. So let's start. This is how much we've gone so far. So we'll first create the gradient background. Let's do that. Go to the backdrops, click backdrops, then make sure it's converted to bitmap or it won't work. Now you know how to fill it with a solid color, don't you? Like, let's say red. Good. But if you were to make it gradient, which means 2 colors, and not just 2 colors like just separately, it's like slightly changing in a mood. So there are 3 types of gradients you can choose. Let's say these are the 2 colors. For this is the straight line, but if I click around the right side like here and the left side like here, nothing, sorry about that. And this gradient, better. Also, the circle gradient is what we will use, and the inside circle, which is red if you see the preview, follows your mouse. Like if I put my mouse here, sorry, you have to always undo to create a new background. The circle's gonna be near my mouse. So if you want it to be in the center, better zoom in. Then click right at the center. If you zoom out a little, you'll starting to see the purple. Yes, that's it. That's it. Now, you just gotta change the colors to whatever you want. I'm gonna use... Nope, wait. And yellow here. No. Greenish yellow. This one. I zoom in, I click at the center, and it's done for me. Okay, just the best it can be. So, whatever. Let's go. And, okay. So now we'll design the spinning of the logo you see here, right now. If I look at the script of the logo, look, I'll first explain the script. So when green flag is clicked, so that means when the project has started, the sprite goes to x0, y0, which is the center, and it points in direction 90, which is the direction they're all facing now. And we do this because this is going to spin and the direction's gonna change. And now we want to set size to 0%. Look, because it also grows up while spinning. Look. See it? The size. So if your size is 0%, it is not existed and it's out of the scene. And let's go to the repeat 20 block. So you turn 60 degrees, you wait just a little, and you change size by 5, you also wait just a little. And why this is repeat 20 is because 20 times 5 is 100. We want the size at the end to be 100. And after that, let's first try taking off this. Look, it goes to a random direction. So we repeat 33 times, turning 18 degrees. And now just to make it perfect, turning 6 degrees. See how the direction changes? Wait, I want you to look at the direction right here. See how it changes? It should end at 90. Okay, let's do the same here. When green flag is clicked, sorry, I can't see the green flag. Oops, sorry about that. This one. Nope. I don't know why this is happening. Okay, I will save. Okay, project saved. Let's try again. Okay, better. Set size to 0%. Go to, x0, y0, the coordinates. And now we also want, so we can't see them now. We want to repeat this 20 times to turn 60 degrees. Wait, how many zeros are there? 5 zeros after 0 point. Sorry. 0.00001. I'll just duplicate this so I don't have to do the wait block again. And instead of the turn 60 degrees, we'll add change size by 5. Let's try. Whoa, 90. Exactly. What's happening? See? It's not exactly. So, if we want to fit all this, let's repeat this 33 times. Move right 18 degrees. Wait. Yes, that's the right. And just check. 6 degrees. Let's go. Again. See, now it always works. And if you wish, you can change the number, but be mindful that this number times this number should equal to 100. Like, I'll change this to 25 and this to 4. Will that still work? Totally. But the angle would be a little weird because repeat 25 is here. So if you want to really fix this, you'll also have to make sure the product of this number and this number is 1,200. I'll change this back. 20 and 5. Let's go again. Wait, what's happening? Oh yeah, sorry about that. we point in direction 9, you remember? Here. Don't forget to show at first, because when we go to a mini game here, we're gonna make this disappear. Okay, all done with the opening. Let's try it again. Great. Now, also, we want these 3 sprites, Firebro, Mario, and Lakitu, to be hidden when it's the opening, because it's a little awkward like this. So we events, hide, and here's the cool thing: you can just do this, and it goes without needing to duplicate. So, is that a little better? Yes. But still, we can't access the mini games. Sorry. What's this about? 110. This is 140. Negative 140. And this is 110. No. Remember, I changed it to 135. Good. So, let's go to the Lakitu Revolution sprite. Events. When this sprite clicked, let's broadcast a message saying that it's a minigame, saying that we start the Lakitu Revolution minigame. And we want itself to hide, because it'll be awkward if you're playing a game and this button is still here. So it works like that. And from the Firebro house sprite, even if this one disappears, wait, thought about something. It has to show when you click the green flag again, so you can play it multiple times. Go to Firebro house. When I receive Lakitu Revolution, hide. When green flag clicked, show. Same with the logo. And here. Good. Now let's try. Wait, what's happening? Oh yeah, sorry. Wrong block used. Better. Click Lakitu Revolution. All disappear. But we haven't made Firebro house, because that's going to be in the 3rd tutorial of the Mario Party 12, of course. Okay, now we want Lakitu to appear. Same with Mario. When we receive Lakitu Revolution, because it shows the start of the game, and we want the characters to be shown. Let's try again. Good. And now for Mario, also when we receive the Lakitu Revolution, we want it forever to follow our mouse pointer, as we control it with our mouse. Like, see? What's happening? Sorry. See, I'm controlling it with my mouse. So so forever go to mouse pointer. See. Okay? It's good. Same with Lakitu. When you have to... Okay, I'll teach you a new block called glide. The glide block. It's like glide 1 second to X, whatever, Y, whatever. So if I make it 100, 100, it will go to exactly that spot in exactly 1 second. 1, boom. and the time is always the same. One, two, and we want this to repeat forever. Glide, and we want this to change the speed random, so I suggest 0.3 to 1.5. And we also now we have to make two variables called x. We can delete my variable. It's automatically made. We want these to hide and go to Mario. Set x to x position. So by creating these blocks, by creating these variables, other sprites can determine the exact location of you. So I'll just duplicate this. Forever, set x to x position and set y to y position. So if I make them up here, see, I'm gonna make myself in 0, 0. Okay, I'm nearly there. And I can also change it with this. And actually you can't here because the forever block is here. Look. It changes back to 27. And now 39. And wherever your mouse goes. Okay. So I'll hide these again. I'll go back to Lakitu to set x, y. The reason why we can't use these blocks in these, it's because these blocks only determine this sprite or Lakitu's x and y position. So now if I do this, it's gonna chase me. You can just do this for the whole time, but in the real game, you can't. No, you know why? So you get it? Now all we have to do is make Mario die when Lakitu touches him. So go to Mario. If touching Lakitu, we want to broadcast die. It's a message I made. When you broadcast die, go to Lakitu. When I receive die, think we win for 2 seconds. Like here, look. If I die, we win. And then we want this to stop everything. So let's try our game so far. You know, it's the thing. Now we want to stop other scripts and sprite here, so Mario can't move after being broadcast die. Nope, it's not this. stop other scripts in Sprite. Let me try that again. Do you know what's the problem here? It's because I stopped other scripts in Sprite, yes, but this script still runs. So that's why we have to put this in a separate script so that it can detect both at the same time. If we try it again, I can't move, but Lakitu can. Also, when I receive die, we want also this to stop everything. I mean other scripts in Sprite. So like, sorry, Lakitu revolution again. See? But it's correct. I don't know why this is happening. I'm gonna change it to 1 second. Let me if this happens like this, try here, cast die, stop other scripts in Sprite. Okay, good. Let's try that again. You know, scratch bug. If this happens, you have to debug. Think we win for 1 second. So, if we check the correct one, Lakitu revolution here. Don't worry about this one. Yes, that's it. See it? Oh, you see it? Stop the script. Stop the script. Let's go. After all, we didn't need a separate script. Stop this script. Let's try. But you know what's the problem? I don't think this will solve this. Because the problem is in Lakitu, but we only changed the script of Mario. Oh! It did work. Does anyone know why? If you do know, please tell me in the comments. Let's try our game again. It's almost perfect. Just one problem. I think Lakitu's still a little slow. Yep, he is. You can always change this number and this number. Okay, now let's start adding time. Name one of your variables minigame time and double click on the variable so it'll show like this. It's called large readout, and we want this to hide variable minigame time when clicked, but when Lakitu revolution is up, we want this to show this variable. So good. And now we want to duplicate this one. Repeat 30 times. We want this to wait 1 second and change minigame time by -1 so that this is the time, and if you survive that time, you win. Also, the same thing will happen, except it'll say you win. And just broadcast another message from events. Broadcast. Nope. New message. Win. Mario. No, wait. Wait, something's wrong. And just set the minigame time to 30 at first. And to make it easier, I'll make it just 5 seconds, so I can do this fast. Okay, sorry about that. Woof. Oof. Oof. Even 5 seconds is actually hard. Sorry. I'll change it to 3 seconds instead. Two. Ooh. Funny. Sorry. I hope this trial. I hope this trial. I hope this trial. I hope this try. I hope. Okay, something is wrong. Let's try that again. See? Why does? Let's check the coordinates of him. Oh, he's not always in the same place. But why is he always on this corner? Probably just luck? No, it isn't luck. Okay, now. Okay, so let's just make it go to random position first. Better. At least it. Yes. 1. Yes! Good. We can leave it like this. Now I'll change this back to 30. And there's only one thing we are left to do, which is called clones. That's stupid clones. Stupid clones. Stupid clones. Clones of who myself. Okay, enough fun of that song. See? Every 10 seconds. Wait. Actually, Mario's supposed to be size 20. Oh yeah, he is. Sorry. Each 10 seconds, it's supposed to give you a new clone. Like, check it out. See? There are 2 of them, and there would be 3 of them if I made it to 10 seconds. So, add another one. Yep. Repeat this 3 times. No. Oh, yes. Two. Wait 10 seconds. Create clone of myself. And wait. Here's a challenge for you. Even the clones have to move towards you, right? If the clones start moving towards you, what do you think will happen? Do I just have to duplicate the moving script to when I start as a clone? Will that work? Okay, you should have made your guess by now. Here's how it'll go. Okay, sorry. Okay, Lakitu, you're too fast. Little boy. See? But the problem is the Lakitu appeared at 21 seconds. Which means we have to switch blocks, switch blocks, switch blocks. Like this. Yes, it worked. Let's try again. If you make clones, you actually don't know who's the real one and who's the fake one. Good. Now let's just clean up all the blocks, which makes it look more neat. Oh, it's so hard. And if you think you will manage to succeed the Lakitu Revolution game, please record a video of it and tell me in the comments, and you'll get a special prize called a subscription. Just kidding. But I will still give you another special prize. So, one final check of our game. Okay, that wasn't a final check. Yeah, that's a final check. Before we end, this is our final check before. Yes! Our game worked, and always thank you for watching, and be ready for part 3. I hope you'll also watch it. Bye! See you next time!